Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Moscow abandoned its main bastion in northern Ukraine on Saturday in a sudden collapse of one of the war's principal front lines after Ukrainian forces mount a rapid advance. The west fall of Izium and Kharkiv province was Moscow's worst defeat since its troops were taken back from the capital Kiev in March. This could prove a decisive turning point in the 6-month-old war, with thousands of Russian soldiers abounding ammunition, stockler, and equipment as they fled. Russian forces used Evio as the logistic base for one of their main campaigns, a month-long assault from the north on the Aegean region comprised of the state-run task due against quoted Russia Defense Ministry as saying it had ordered troops to leave the Phoenix and reinforce Operation Always in Nagibor the task. The head of Russia administration in Kiev told residents to evacuate the province and flee to Russia to save life. They reported witnesses described traffic jams of cars with people leaving Russian-held territory. The Russian withdrawal was heralded by Ukrainian leaders. The Russian army there they is demonstrating Volodymyr Zelensky said in video address Saturday evening. Ukraine officials stopped short of confirming they had recruited Izium, but in the Yermak, Zelensky, chief of staff, posted a photo and troops on its outskirts and tweeted an emoji of grapes. The city name means raisin. The Russian army is claiming the title of fastest army in the world. Keep running, Yermak wrote in Twitter later. The Russian withdrawal announcement came hours after Ukrainian troops captured the city of Kupits further north. The Seoul Railway hub supplying Russian anti-front line across northeast Ukraine. Ukrainian officials posted photos early on Saturday of their troops raising the country blue and yellow flag in front of Kabin's city hall that left thousands of Russian troops abruptly cut off from supply along a front that has seen some of the most intense battle of the war. There were signs of trouble for Russia elsewhere along its remaining positions at the Earthner's front, with pro-Russian officials encoding difficulties at other elections. Ukraine armed forces are continuing to advance in different areas along the front, Zelensky said. Days ago, Kiev's forces burst through the front line and have since recruited dozens of towns and villages in a swift mechanized assault, surging forward dozens of kilometers miles a day. Russian forces had already abandoned Balaklia days ago. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.